Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a fantastic upgrade option for those of you rocking an HP EliteBook 845 G10 or 865 G10 laptop, the ATEC 32GB DDR5 RAM kit. If your EliteBook feels like it's hitting a wall when multitasking or handling demanding applications, this could be just what you need. This kit comes with two 16GB DDR5 SODIMM modules, designed to slot right into your laptop. The speed is rated at 5,600 MHz, which translates to PC 5-44800, or sometimes you might see it as PC 5-5600B. What's really cool is that it operates at the GTX standard 1.1V, so it's power efficient, which is always a plus for laptop battery life. Now, why should you consider upgrading your RAM? Well, more RAM means your system can handle more tasks simultaneously without slowing down. Think smoother multitasking, faster loading times for your favorite programs, and an overall snappier experience. If you're a professional who juggles multiple applications, deals with large data sets, or even enjoys some light gaming on your EliteBook, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. ATEC designed this kit for easy home installation. Of course, always refer to your EliteBook's manual for the correct way to install the RAM modules. The manual will guide you on the proper seating and channel configuration to ensure optimal performance. ATEC also puts these memory modules through rigorous testing. This means you can expect dependable and reliable performance. Plus, it's backed by ATEC's limited lifetime warranty, which offers peace of mind. And if you ever run into any issues, their tech support team is available to help you out, both before and after your purchase. So, if you're looking to boost the performance of your HP EliteBook 845 G10 or 865 G10, the ATEC 32GB DDR5 RAM kit is definitely worth considering. It's a simple, effective upgrade that can breathe new life into your laptop and improve your overall computing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.